Now, let me ask you guys, what do you guys love to do? Create music? Vlogging? Drawing? Yes, sir. That's what we love to do. Go ahead. You gonna chew your food? Go. Who else? What y'all love to do? I need more. I need more people. It's got to be some passion in here. What?
Ooh, I like to be active.
You like to be acting? Jaden, what you want?
I like sports.
Sports?
I like to make people live.
I like,
Lollipops?
huh?
Huh? What you love to do? Come on, tell me.
I like
Not like. You ain't getting nowhere with likes. What do you love to do?
what I love to do is hanging with my friends and being ourselves.
Yeah, absolutely. That's the most important thing. Be yourself. What you love to do?
I love to hang out and be goofy around people.
Yeah, good. What you love to do?
I love to be around my family and friends.
Yes. Yes, absolutely. So first and foremost, go ahead.
Well, I love to stay in the house and watch TV.
Ain't nothing wrong with that. Hey, ain't nothing wrong. Go ahead. What you love to do? You said what? Hey, I love the garden too. I love me some plants. What you love to do?
I love to make money and do what I like to do.
Yes, how you making money though?
By doing what I like to do.
Exactly. That's the whole purpose that I'm trying to teach you guys. You gotta love what you are doing or you are going to be miserable.